Your freezer isn't just for ice ollies in summer, it's for stopping you having to sweat it out in the kitchen. Let's make freezer-friendly ratatouille. It's simple, it's good ingredients, it's basic flavours, but season it to your taste buds and you have a happy, happy, happy dish. In a large oven-friendly saucepan, you're going to heat some olive oil over a medium heat. Add in 1 finely diced onion and 4 cloves of garlic that have been thinly sliced. Sauté until they become translucent and fragrant. Add in a diced aubergine, 1 diced courgette, and 2 diced peppers into the pan. Cook for about 5 minutes until they all start to soften. Stir in 2 diced tomatoes, 680 grams of passata, and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Mix well to combine all of the ingredients. Add a teaspoon of fennel seeds, a teaspoon of dried thyme,
a teaspoon of dried oregano.
Mix in 400 ml of water, cover the dish with a lid and place it in a preheated oven at 190 degrees for 45 minutes or until the vegetables are tender. Once it's cooked, you can tuck on in or allow it to cool completely and then divide into Tupperware to be stored in the freezer for another day. When you're ready to eat it from the freezer, simply remove the desired number of portions and let them thaw overnight. Chuck into a pan to reheat and serve up alongside some lovely couscous, maybe sprinkle on some feta, or to have you fancy really. It's chunky, it's rich, it's absolutely delicious, and you know what? It served me for about 4 different lunches with guests.